Meaning of deskilling.
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 Deskilling. Deskilling refers to the process by which skilled labor is replaced by automated machines or simplified tasks that require less skill. The result of deskilling is a reduction in the value of human labor and an increase in the importance of technology, which may lead to the loss of jobs and decreased wages for workers. This is because employers can replace skilled workers with cheaper, less skilled labor or machines that can perform the same task more efficiently, thus making human labor less valuable.